Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader, pakisearch na lang siya sa Facebook. And kung gusto mong magpa-palm reading sa akin, pumunta ka lang sa TikTok. Yan, i-search mo Unicorn Princess Tarot. Tapos meron akong specific bracelet na binibenta doon sa TikTok shop. Kung mag-a-avail ka nun, mabibigyan kita ng personal na palm reading. Ayan, magagawan kita ng video mo dito sa YouTube. Okay, so let's start. This is for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. 9 of Cups, 3 of Cups is here. King of Cups, wow. 6 of Swords is here. So, yung iba sa inyo, alam mo may nakukuha akong energy dito, mabait kang tao, humble, kind of person. I'm feeling like maraming tao sa paligid mo ngayon na magbibigay ng success sa'yo. Like, they can help you na makuha yung success na gusto mo kasi you are surrounded by tamang tao, mga tamang tao sa buhay mo. Maybe, katrabaho, tamang friends, especially friends, no? Kasi nandiyan sila nakasupport para makuha mo yung mga gusto mong makuha sa buhay mo. And for what I can see here, may mga tao din naman na umalis sa buhay mo. Pero nandun na yung realizations mo at saka yung pag-iisip mo na, okay, umalis sila sa buhay ko, maybe hindi ko sila kailangan. You know? And yung iba sa inyo, maybe hindi ka na para maghabol. You are the kind of person na natutunan mo sa sarili mo na paano hindi maghabol. Okay? And napakaganda nun kasi yun yung dapat mo talaga matutunan because maybe in the past, pag may gusto ka, gusto mo. Gagawin mo na paraan na makuha mo yun. Pero now, whether it's a person or a situation na hindi napunta sa'yo, na hindi ibinigay sa'yo or hindi nangyari sa buhay mo, nandun na yung sa isip mo na, ay, maybe hindi para sa akin. Okay? And then for some of you, maybe meron ka mga bagay na pinag-move onan ngayon. Maybe it's a person, a situation na yun nga, pwedeng umalis or nawala or hindi nangyari sa buhay mo. Pero nakita natin, naghintay ka with the temperance. Pero ayun nga, with the tower, nandun na yung ini-end mo na yung paghihintay, pag-expect, and you do have here the Five of Wands. I can see na this is big change pagdating sa'yo, especially the Strength card right here. Kung makikita mo, it's like a transformation, complete transformation. And ikaw yon mismo na tinatransform mo yung sarili mo to a better person, which is the Queen of Cups. This is you. Nakikita mo yung hands niya nakataas. It's like kind of surrendering na kumbaga sa universe, kung ano yung ibigay sa'yo, yun na yun. Kung hindi para sa'yo, hindi para sa'yo. Parang ganun. And I like your energy kasi the more na ginagawa mo to, the more na maa-achieve mo kung ano yung mga bagay na para talaga sa'yo. Yung success, whatever, na kumbaga parang maybe in the past ikaw talaga yung gagawa at naggagawa ng paraan. Pag gusto mo yung isang bagay, gusto mo talaga. Pero now, hindi na. Nagsusurrender ka na. Ayan, the Judgment is here. Also, a card for surrendering kind of energy. And I really do like your energy. Anyway, pagdating sa love, sino itong person na kakonect mo? For Earth sign, please. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Kakonect ni Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. Pagdating sa love, sino itong person na kakonect ni Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay, person ni Earth sign. Okay, you do have here the Seven of Swords. the Emperor. This is the Seven of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Swords. So, nakikita natin yung pag-iwas at paglayo dito sa person na ito, but you don't care. Wala kang pakialam. I'm feeling like with the Emperor, masyadong mataas ang ego nitong taong to, nagmamatigas siya, whatever, and pwedeng may mga nasa harapan siya ngayon wherein pwedeng distracted, and pwedeng marami siyang pinagkakabalahan. I feel like meron siyang mga dreams, pangarap na minamanifest ngayon, and this person is nakikita niya kasi okay ka rin naman or okay ka na rin naman kung nasaan ka ngayon. So, this person, nakikita natin yung pag-move away niya or pag-move out niya sa'yo. And I feel like we do have here the devil. This is Capricorn energy. So, may nakikita ako dito sa person na ito, like, pagka-cut off na ginagawa sa'yo, or maybe pwedeng pag-iwas lang talaga din. Anyway, ano yung situation or yung connection niyo ng person na to, spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Main situation ninyo ng person na to for earth sign. You do have here getting to know each other, and I want to get one more card. Heart-to-heart conversation. This could be the one. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng there's communication. Kasi nakakita tayo ng heart-to-heart conversation dito. But kung may communication, nakikita natin, wala doon yung eagerness na makipag-communicate. Alam mo yun, yung parang, okay, may communication tayo, pero hindi ganun. Hindi masyadong usap talaga. And for what I can see here, with the getting to know each other, maybe for some of you, meron kayong mga options. And not only sa side ng person mo, but maybe sa side mo rin. Nakikita natin dito na if there's another connection, pwedeng na doon yung nagdi-deeper yung level ng connection with that person. Okay, sa side mo and sa side ng person nito. Okay, or pwedeng isa lang, or high chance na pareho kayo, pero pwedeng isa lang din sa inyo yung may ka-connect. So anyway, what is the emotions nandito? What do we have here for earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn? Mga emotions para sa isa't isa, spirit guides, angel guides. You do have your twin flame and keys on a ring. Yeah, this could be another connection. Could be dealing with the twin flame for your person. Sunglasses is here. The phoenix, and one more card for the sign of earth sign. You do have here the sword and a rose. Bottom of the deck is the chaser. You deserve love. Okay, bottom of the deck is the forgiving and learning. Okay, a lot of releasing ang nakikita natin dito. You are releasing your person is releasing you. Pwedeng may mga transformation na nangyayari ngayon sa person na ito na nagdudulot para i-cut off kanya. Like, etong person na ito na iba yung pananaw nabago din yung isip, na iba yung pananaw. This person, nakikitaan natin ng medyo, I feel like, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron ka pang nararamdaman na either takot or kulang pa sa confident dito sa person na ito. You could be the chaser here. Tinatry mo namang mahalin din yung sarili mo, and nagtatry ka rin naman na mag-focus sa sarili mo. But for some of you, maybe you still want this union with your person. Gusto mo pa rin. Pero of course, nasa isip mo pa rin na hindi kailangan ko I deserve love. And pwedeng hindi mo nakikita yung love na yun na mararamdaman mo towards this person. Parang hindi mo nakikita makuha mo sa kanya yun. So nakikita natin na medyo mahirap or malungkot para sa'yo, pero nakikita natin yung pag-iwas or paglayo mo na lang rin or paghaya, parang energy na parang hinahayaan mo na lang din itong person na ito. Na although malungkot or masakit sa'yo, but for some of you, hindi mo rin naman kasi alam yung gagawin mo, And this person, pero nakakamoy ako ng ipis. I don't know kung nagpatay ka ba ng ipis bago magnood. Anyway, this person, I feel like tinatry niya lang din protektahan. Yung person, yung sarili niya. This person, nakikita natin na nag-i-stalk siya sa'yo in the past, but hindi niya na yun ginagawa ngayon. May pagbabago talaga. Anyway, what will happen in the near future for you? By the way, may narinig akong nagdo-doorbell. So, this could be a reading. Kung may nagdo-doorbell or may bisita sa inyo. In the near future for you, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. In the near future for you, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. You do have here the 4 of Pentacles, 5 of Cups, 9 of Swords, one more card, 7 of Wands, and bottom of the deck you do have here the Queen of Pentacles. For the sign of Earth sign, please. 3 of Wands. Okay. 8 of Swords. 4 of Cups. 5 of Pentacles. Ace of Swords is here. Okay. Mutual energy. In the near future. Bottom of the deck is the separation. And you do have here the pay attention to the red flags. And it is safe for you to love. For what I can see here in the future, this is you closing your heart. Kasi nakikita natin na possible na masaktan ka dito sa person na ito. I'm seeing a lot of disappointments. In the near future, pwedeng may mga malaman ka dito sa person na ito na magdulot ng kalungkutan at matinding isipin sa'yo. Like, I can see you being hurt. Pero, you need to heal. And yun naman din yung gagawin mo with the 7 of Wands. You are healing in the near future. Kasi may mga sign or may mga dahilan para alisan mo itong person na ito. I feel like ginagawa mo na yun ngayon, but mas more on yung pag-iwas na gagawin mo or paglayo. And I am seeing like if this is a twin flame or soulmate connection, itatry mo yung best mo na wag na lang pansinin yung connection ninyo kasi may mga may mga panghihinayang. I can see na unti-unti mong inaalis yung love mo in the near future towards this person. There's this feeling of etong person na ito in the near future. Nandun yung pagka-miss niya, not only sa'yo, but maybe dun sa mga malalayo sa kanya. There's this feeling of pagkalugi or problem within pagdating sa pera. With the 5 of Pentacles, there's this energy na parang hindi siya sure sa mga bagay na naging desisyon niya. But yeah, may mga pagkakamaling desisyon na possible na magawa itong person na ito na magdulot sa kanya para ma-feeling niya yung energy ng parang trap, stuck sa situation. This person, nakakita tayo ng mga problems. 3 of Swords is here. Nakakita tayo ng sobrang lungkot at sakit na energy towards your person. We do have here the Hermit. This is Virgo energy. Parang kasi no choice siya eh. Kailangan niya mag-move on. And pwedeng nakikita niya yung possible na there's this tower moment between the two of you and the Death card. So there's this total ending. So might be there's another relationship with the 3 of Swords na maging dahilan para itong person na to ay may stuck sa isang situation na hindi siya masaya. And this could lead into a tower moment sa inyong dalawa. And maybe there's another relationship na involved na maging dahilan kung bakit parang mawala na ng chance sa connection ninyong dalawa nitong person na to. And yeah, there's separation here. Maybe there's this children or child na involved. One of you, nakakita tayo na pwedeng will try na bigyan ng chance. Pero medyo mahirap eh. Medyo mahirap. Dahil although nandun yung itatry na bigyan ng chance or what, medyo hindi alam ng person na ito yung dapat niyang gawing actions towards that. Yeah. So anyway, thank you for watching guys. I love you all and bye-bye.